back flip flip. Let's keep going.
He's absolutely right. Thank you. I have a vision. And so do I. Let me show you mine. Amy, please take me back.
Okay.
Oh, perfect. Come on.
He's the mustache man that drives the ladies wild.
In my defense, we were gonna play human centipede.
Knows how to talk to peanuts.
You're salty.
And wants to take you somewhere special.
The house will share and take with you. Look it up, ignorant kids.
The Cleveland Show.
Oh, so wrong, but so funny. Like Billy Crystal, but funny.
Tuesday at 10 on E4.
They saved 300 pounds on his car insurance and now he feels epic. Yes,